Alright, so in this video I want to explain something to you, and this is something that people or most digital marketers often overlook. Now I want to show you something I call the omnipresent game plan. Now this video is intended to be very brief and short because I'm going to go straight to the point. Now, one thing you want to do now, if you have a client and then you want to run an ad for the client, okay, you've spoken to the client and you're about to start the business, one thing people often fail to do is that they don't ask, okay, or they don't draw the game plan for the whole thing. Now, it's not about always just starting out and running the ads, but having the right structure and having the right game plan to run the ad. So I'm going to share with you one key game plan that I use for my clients, and I call it omnipresent or everywhere game plan. Now in this game plan, what I do is this, okay, so we draw a content posting strategy, okay, where we give value content strategy. Now this value content, we post it on Facebook, Instagram, we post it on YouTube, and we post it on Google My Business, we post it on LinkedIn and then X. And what we do is that as we engage with a client, what we've done is that we link it to something we called, or this tool which is called Google Tag Manager. And this Google Tag Manager is linked to Google Analytics and then Facebook, Pixel, and then Google Ads. That if depending on the platforms you're working for. So what we do is that as all these people are engaging with our content, what is happening is that we are collecting all this data, we are tracking all this data. Now what we also do is that we run engagement ads for Facebook, Instagram, we run eyeballs ads for some of these platforms, okay, but some of these like X, okay, LinkedIn and stuff, we use hashtag and other strategies to grow the account. So what we do is that as we are collecting this data, and then some of them we do what, we remarket to the funnel, okay. And that is what we do, is that we are deliberate, we are intentional about this strategy, because with this strategy we are giving value, and that this value we make sure that this value is linked to something that at the end of the day we're going to give an offer. So we will have some kind of warm audience. And what we've also noticed is that most people who go on Facebook, Instagram, one or two ways they are linked to any of these platforms. Someone might be here, someone might be here. So once Google Analytics is tracking everything, we're able to share the data with these all strategies, and then we can use this funnel to run an ads, and then we can be able to get some sales coming through. Okay, so this is bridge to the website, but this strategy, if you don't have a website, that's fine, but you can have only funnel, the sales funnels, and it depends on the niche. Okay, it can be an e-com funnel, booking funnel, lead generation funnel, whatever you want to do, you can use the same strategy for it. Okay, so let me know your thoughts if you want me to go much details and talk much deeper about this strategy. Okay, bye.